How to check screen time on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings, and once you do that, you want to scroll down to digital well-being, and once you're here you will see there's a section that says screen time, and it has your total screen time compared to yesterday, and you will see some apps with the screen time for those specific apps. Now if you clicked on this option, you will be able to get even more details. As you can see, you will be able to see your screen time for each day of the week, as you can see right here. And also you can see the apps, all of the apps that you have used in that day with each app screen time specifically, as you can see right here. Not only that, if you clicked on any app, you will be able to get an even more detailed report, as you can see here, for the use time hour by hour for that specific day, as you can see right here. So I hope that this video has been of some help. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. That was how you can check and see and find your screen time in your Android phone. With that said, see you in the next video.